Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Mac of blenders, in my opinion, the Vitamix. It's a staple and I've had it for years in my kitchen, so I'm going to do a quick review on this bad boy. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. Alright, so let's talk look and features, then we'll geek out with what's under the hood. So the color comes in a brushed stainless steel. It comes with a low profile 64 ounce 8 cups container. I also got the 32 ounce 4 cups container separately for smaller portions. Both containers come with the lid, plug, and a tamper that floats just above the blades. The blender also comes with a cookbook, which is great for recipe ideas you can use with the blender. It has 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, purees, and a self-cleaning option. This ensures simple cleaning with a couple drops of dish soap, warm water, and 30 seconds, as well as a walk-away convenience and consistent results on recipes. Then, on the other side of the dial, it has the varying speeds from 1 to 10. It also has a pulse switch that when you press down will cause the machine to blend at the speed setting on the dial for as long as you hold. You can also do this when the dial is on a program, which makes the blender run at 50% high power for as long as you hold down the button. So, product specifications. The motor is a commercial grade 2.2 peak output horsepower. The cord is 6 feet long, and the power button is on the bottom right side of the machine. The blades are laser cut, stainless steel hammer mill, and the cutting blades measure at 4 inches in diameter. The electrical is 120 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and 12 amps. And then the dimensions with the 64 ounce container measures at 8.5 inches long, 8.5 inches in width, and 17.25 inches in height. It comes with a 7-year full warranty, which covers all of its parts, performance, and 2-way shipping at no cost to you. You can head over to the Vitamix website and search Professional 750 to see the cost for your specific country. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on one of the many toys in my kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and head on over to my channel for more recipes. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.